Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send XRP from Revolut to your Tangem wallet in 2025. If you're holding XRP on Revolut and want to secure it in a hardware wallet like Tangem for better protection, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any updates in 2025 crypto regulations. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure your Tangem wallet is set up and ready. If you haven't already, download the Tangem app on your phone and pair it with your hardware device. Once that's done, generate a new XRP receiving address from the app. It's usually under the Receive section. Write this address down or keep it handy because accuracy is key to avoid any lost funds. Next, open your Revolut app and log in securely. Head over to the Crypto tab. Select your XRP holdings, and look for the Send or Withdraw option. This might have a fresh interface in 2025, so keep an eye out for any new features like enhanced security prompts. Now, enter the XRP address you got from your Tangem wallet into the recipient field. Double-check it, typos can be costly. Then, input the amount of XRP you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which could be around 0.00001 XRP or vary based on 2025 network conditions. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this through your Revolut security settings, like a PIN or biometric scan. Once the transaction is initiated, keep an eye on your Tangem wallet app for confirmation. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the XRP ledger's speed. Pro tip: always use a secure network and never share your private keys. And there you have it. That's how you safely move your XRP to Tangem in 2025. This step boosts your crypto security and gives you full control. If you run into any issues, check Revolut's Help Center or Tangem's support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Stay secure out there.